you. Judges, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Once again, 192 points on the bench, 9 hand tools. These guys are winning at the 11-minute mark in their practice run yesterday. They very well could be a minute faster on this run right now. They have been watching the other participants. We got the boys who got a GoPro and a camera watching their moves, so they can review them and see what's going on. We have taken time in the past to practice with exactly how long it takes to put the timing gear on. It's 25 seconds in and timing cover on, another 10 seconds to get the nuts on, 10 seconds to hang the nuts. So we're going to go on engine number, the red engine right now, snap off. And we're in engine number, we used to have these numbered, and this year we're looking at it and we're looking, hey, let's do them in lime green and Banter pink. Couldn't find the paint, so we went with blue and red. So I've been adjusting all weekend so far. We got red on my left, the blue on my right. And so this is engine 1 is blue. Engine red, or the red engine is engine 2 otherwise. So let's can't even get that straight yet. We are starting to sort out all of our. Hey, we have somebody left some keys up in the stands. It has a co-op tag, the Kamara start, and a single GM vehicle key, and house key. If you know what you're after, there's one more tag on there. Tell me what you have. Once again, Zee's Battle Engine Race. We got a truck key with house key, command start, co-op tag, and one other tag. Please tell me what the tag is and we'll get it to you. Just doing a quick winner on the headboard set. On blue engineer, Cliff is going in on red. We're looking ready to flip here almost on red. We're getting the starter button on. As soon as the starter's on, engine can be flipped. So they're just working, sorting out, they can practice in a few to qualify. Alright, let's let this off with 2 minutes 48. It's actually going to be a nice run. We should be in about 9 to 10 minutes. We're coming in with an 11:08 and 11:03. 11:26, sorry, as Mac Wolves and 11:0 with Snap-On. 9 hand tools, 1/7 sockets, half-inch sockets. 9/16 and a 5/8 are the sockets. 1 6-inch extension, 1 ratchet. 1 speed handle, 1 combination wrench, 9/16 to make the distributor bolt, and a belt screwdriver for the distributor tank. Fast runs are on average about a 3-minute flip and an 8-minute total. Valve set, each they got a rocker nut, a rocker arm, a rocker ball, and a rocker nut, all required to get them all set. These double trips to the bench is the critical point. Once again, Zee's Battle Tech. The tech is the 7th year here at the Calgary World of Wheels. And that's 4:30.
Attention exhibitors, the client come to me. Show office, I have Allison here. Allison is looking for assistance.
So right now these from both states teams from the ASP program. I believe if I'm correct, they are still first year. Both teams. We got Instructor JD doing some photography here. This is second career Instagram photographer.
Could I have your attention, please? I have a lost little boy named Allison for her dad, Kyle. We're in the show office.
Big honorable then. We're pretty much par at the moment. Right at the 7-minute and 2-second mark. Actually looking really good right now. Just the valves here, but gas is there set. We wouldn't get about 35 to 31 though. We also got the 34 down there. Well, there's a lot of people here at Jetsport here today. Great opportunity to meet a racing superstar. We'll look to have him by after the show or after his signatures in a bit.
The city of Calgary and the Calgary Stampede, it is my honor to present you with an honorary Calgary White Hat, making you an honorary citizen of our fine city. Looking mighty fine in our Smithville. Now, Tony, also with this honor comes our Calgary Cowboy oath to make this official. So I will hand, this won't hurt a bit. This won't hurt a bit. So I will hand you a microphone. I will read aloud and ask you to kindly repeat after me. Go ahead. Having been welcomed.
Attention exhibitors, we have a lost little boy. His name is Austin. He's 4 years old, blonde, with a camel shirt and blue jeans. If you find him, please come to the show office.
I need everybody present to help celebrate this honor with a hearty Calgary Stampede Yahoo! On 3. 1, 2, and 3! Welcome to Calgary, Tony Stewart.
Thank you guys. Excited to get here rather than win our cousins. Let me get all the film, which would have been sold out. So that was a little bit glad to be here. Like a
Got that 9 10-minute push to two so far. These boys have to be able to get. They were 11:30 and 11:20 coming in. They're just on the 10-minute mark. Should be made now. Left the fourth of the belt cover. Couple of plug wires here to go. So the fuel's up front. The negative batteries, they one out of the way.
Thank you so much for
Pretty much far together.
Absolutely going to have a blast with it.
Once all line and fuels are out back on the bench, then they can hook up the fuel line and the batteries. The negative cable is always the last. There's both a safety standard and a prevention of blowing up our computer. It's a procedural scenario. So that's positive on, negative next. 10-minute 39, 10-minute 40. Alrighty, plug wires light up. Everything is stepped and procedural. So they're at 11 minute right now. They're gonna watch their run and draw some replay. Five seconds hands free and clear. We're final run of about 11:15. Once again, they came in with a 11:26. They're about for red. Nice clean aisle there. So the grip timing, they can